Almost every one of you seen the videos on YouTube with fabulous editing skills, like these running bars, or these type of picture-in-picture videos, or these text-to-speech features, and many more. So, let's dive in and find out how you can make these videos with magic of editing. Nowadays, there's too many apps and sites that you can use to make these kind of stunning videos. But today, we're gonna use my personal favorite app, Capcut, and it's free to use. So let's go towards our first trick of the day, moving progress bars. As you can see, I already imported one of my video in Capcut that we're gonna use for demonstration. So now for applying progress bar on this video, we're gonna go to stickers, then search for red bar, or whatever color of bar you want, you can search here. So as you see, we got many options, from which I'm gonna choose this one for now. Yep, right there. Then make it full size of video and place it right under your video. Like you can see I'm doing right now. First, make it till end of your video. Then go to our bar that we just downloaded from stickers. Now make it large size so it can cover our full video. Then place it under here. Like you see, the mostly progress bars are under our videos. So place it over there. Then go to end of your video right here, and then add a keyframe over there. You can see on right hand corner there's a keyframe option. So add keyframe on end of our video. Then again go to starting point of our video and add another keyframe. Now here you're gonna pick this red bar and make it small, like place it over here and start off our video. Now if we're gonna play our video, it's gonna look like something this. You can see we make our progress bar. But now to make it more interesting, you can use your channel's logo over the progress bar, or you can use your picture or any sticker. Like for example, I'm gonna do this fire sticker right now. So select any fire sticker or any sticker you want to use, then resize the sticker. So before that, just make this till end of the video, because we need this for the whole progress bar, right? So after that, resize the fire sticker and place it over our progress bar in the starting point. So now you see it's all set up. So now on our videos starting, I'm gonna add a keyframe again. Add a keyframe here, then go to end of our video right here and add another keyframe right there. Now we add our both keyframes. Now pick this fire and place it end of this progress bar. Now if I'm gonna start this video, it's gonna look like something this. As you can see, it looks good, right? So now we're gonna go to our second trick, which is face tracking emoji. Like you can see on my video, I already have one sticker, so because I don't want to show my face, or you can just upload your regular video with your face and then you can cover it with face tracking emojis. So for this, we're gonna go to stickers. We're gonna go to effects, then gonna go to body effects, then search man. So after that, you're gonna see stickers over here. Like you can see, you can apply any stickers over here. For now, I'm gonna choose this one. You can see it's on our head. You can choose any stickers and it's automatically gonna fit on your head. It's gonna track your head movement for the whole video. You don't have to place it manually. It's gonna do this automatically. So for right now, I'm gonna choose this sticker and I need it for full video. So I'm gonna extend the length of that sticker to end of my video. Now you can select the size of sticker. If you want to your head look big, you can select the full size, or just select the normal size if you want. Then if I'm gonna start this video, it's gonna look like this. So it's all set up. It's automatically gonna stay on your head. That's it for this sticker method. So now let's go to our third trick, zoom out screen. Zoom out screen, as many you see in the videos, like the video will zoom out at some point, or the video is zooming out from start and it will zoom out till the end. So like you can see, this is my normal video. To make this zoom, I'm gonna go to the keyframe. At start of video, I'm gonna add a keyframe. Then I'm gonna go to end of my video, add another keyframe. And then here I'm gonna make my videos look big. You can go to 150%, 200%, whatever you want. So right now I'm gonna go to just like 150 around. And now I'm gonna play my video. It's gonna look something like this. You can see it's zooming out automatically. So this is the one feature. Now if you want to zoom out just special part of your video, like I selected a part of my video, here I'm gonna do the same thing. Add a keyframe in start, add a keyframe in end, and then zoom out to 150 or 200, whatever you want. Now if I'm gonna start this video, it's gonna look like this. At this point it's gonna zoom out, then go back in. And now for our fourth feature, picture in picture. So in here I already downloaded a picture from Google with green screen. You can just upload your own picture. You don't have to be green screen. I just seen this picture on Google, so I downloaded it. So now you're gonna place this picture on top of your video, not under of your video, but on top of your video, and then make it small and place it on side of your video or center, wherever you want. So now you can see its picture in picture method. So now if you want, you can select the size of this, and if I'm gonna start this video, it's gonna look just like this. So also on the another feature, you can remove this background. You're gonna remove the background automatically. You're gonna just select remove background auto, and it's gonna remove your background. It's just gonna select the main character, and the other background's gonna go out. So you can see on screen it looks good. And there's another feature too. If your videos have like only one color, like it have green screen behind this, so if you want to remove the special color from your video, you can do that too. Like I'm gonna do it again, place this video over here, and then I'm gonna go to remove background, then gonna go to chrome key. Then you can select the color that you wanna remove. Like right here, I wanna remove green. I'm gonna select green, and voila, it's gone. So like that, you can remove any specific color if you want. And now for our next feature is text to speech. You know, many of you seen like someone write the text and it automatically speaks for itself. So right here you can see I'm gonna write something like welcome to MC Studio, and just write default text. You can also change the color of it. You can change the size of your characters, or you can select any transitions on your text. Like here you can see, you can select any effect you want. And after that, you're gonna go to text to speech button. And here you can select any voice you want. Like there's a different voices, so you can select anyone you like. And after that, you like I click on this voice, and after that you're gonna click on generate, and it's gonna take a few seconds. And now if you can hear, it's gonna speak up for your text, like welcome to MC Studio, like you can hear. So if you like this video, subscribe my channel and comment down below if you want second part for this video for advanced editing skills. Thank you.